Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Wonder Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva app on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open Apple App Store if you're on iPhone and Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once you do that, you can see on your screen there are 5 options at the bottom. Today, games, apps, arcade, and search. Tap on search, then on your interface you can see there's a search bar at the top. Type in Canva. Now tap on search and you can see there's the Canva app at the top of the screen. Right beside the Canva logo you can see there will be a get option. I have already downloaded it, so it's showing open. You have to tap on that get option and give your iCloud details and the Canva app will be downloaded. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.